Hey guys, Jeff here from Ceramic Pro Vaughn. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the door handles on a 2021. This is a SQ7, but Q7 it'll be the same. Reason being is that we're wrapping the whole truck with a stealth PPF. So, and it's not like the other door handles, it's a little bit different. So you need to pop this little piece off first, slide this out, and then you can get the door handle out. Now, there's going to be a little cover here that you're going to pop off, and it's a T20 Torx. And basically, you're going to pop it in, loosen this off, back it off all the way until it stops. So right there, it just got to the end. Now what you're going to have to do is hit the back of the screwdriver to push that pin in. That's it. And now this whole piece slides right out. When you got to go put it back in, this is going to have to go into, if you look in the hole, there's a little bit of a slot. You have to fit it in there. So it's going to take some wiggling and jiggling to line it back up, to get it back in. And then to get the door handle off now, so it's just going to go back, and then it kind of pops out. And then pull this out. And here you have a little tab. Pop that up. This side will come out as well. And just remember, the brown one goes on the top, and this bottom one is, go figures. Oh, okay, I just gotta pull on it. So like I said, the brown one goes on the top, and the black one goes on the bottom. Now I would put some tape around these two so they don't fall into the door. That's how you remove the driver handle. The rear doors are much easier, and the passenger door is much easier because it doesn't have like the lock and everything. Same idea, unscrew that screw until it stops, and you have to push it in, and then this little piece will slide out. That's it. And then just push the handle backwards and pull it out.